Welcome back to STYFLY Malaysia, your skyscrapers channel. This video is about KL Metropolis. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like notification bell for new video upload. Thank you for watching. The Greater Kuala Lumpur, a city within a city. Kuala Lumpur, officially the Federal Territory of Kuala Lumpur, and colloquially referred to as KL, is a federal territory and the capital city of Malaysia. It is the largest city in Malaysia, covering an area of 243 square kilometers, 94 square miles with an estimated population of 1.73 million as of 2016. Greater Kuala Lumpur, also known as the Klang Valley, is an urban agglomeration of 8 million people as of 2021. It is among the fastest growing metropolitan regions in Southeast Asia, both in population and economic development. The metro area population of Kuala Lumpur in 2021 was 8,211,000, a 2.68% increase from 2020. KL Metropolis. KL Metropolis is a 75.5 acres mixed development situated nearby the Kuala Lumpur Courts complex in the suburb of Segambut. The development is a RM20 billion project that is envisioned to become the leading center and district for international trade and exhibition of Kuala Lumpur, similar to the Tun Razak Exchange, which on the other hand will become the city's financial district. It will consist of total gross floor of 22,800,000 square feet, and KL Metropolis will integrate trade, commerce, living, and transport in one bustling hub located within the big city, which will be built in stages over a duration of 20 years. The development will be divided into 8 precincts: MET 1, MET 2, MET 3, MET 5, MET 6, MET 7, MET 8 and MET 9, together with MITEC, which was accordingly supposed to be the MET 4 precinct. 2 of the precincts will be jointly developed with partners. MET 5 with Hapsang Land Sendirian Berhad, while MET 8 with Tritera Metropolis Sendirian Berhad. A proposed direct link road from the NKVE and Duke Highway connecting Jalan Sultan Haji Ahmad Shah Junction has also been planned for the development to ease traffic in the area, along with an MRT3 station. Landmark building will be the 100-story Naza signature tower, and is set to dominate the skyline in the western side of the Kuala Lumpur. The tower is a proposed supertall skyscraper that will be at least 400 meters high above ground. The developer. The master developer of the KL Metropolis development is being undertaken by Naza Ttdi Sendirian Berhad, a subsidiary of the larger Naza Group. Artemis Kiara. 3 towers comprising simplex, duplex suites and serviced residences on a 3.29 acres land, and was developed by News Metro Properties Sendirian Berhad under a joint venture with Naza Ttdi. The project was launched in 2015 and completed last year. MITEC. The first component and flagship of the development is the Malaysia International Trade and Exhibition Center, MITEC, which officially opened in August 2017. MITRE housed the Malaysia External Trade Development Corporation headquarters and Maytrade Exhibition and Convention Center, MECC, MITI. The Ministry of International Trade and Industry headquarters, commonly known as MITI Tower or Menara MITI, will be situated within the development. Metropolis Park. 8 acres of urban park and recreational facilities which will be constructed in between MET 3 and MITEC under the government's Greener KL initiative plan. It will be integrated to the other precincts via pedestrian walkways in the district, while Naza Ttdi Sendirian Berhad will be managing the RM20 million park over 15 years. MET 5, KL Mid. Town. An 8.95 acres land currently under construction, which will feature a retail podium mall, office towers, residential towers, Hyatt Regency Hotel and serviced residential tower. Partnership with Hapsang Land Sendirian Berhad. MET 8, the MET Corporate Towers. Built on 2.47 acres of land, which will consist 42-story and 30-story towers. MET 8 is currently under construction since 2018 and will feature 2 Grade A strata office towers, Tower A and Tower B respectively. Partnership with Tritera Metropolis Sendirian Berhad. MET 2 consist of strata offices with a 4-star hotel. Met 3, yet to be approved. A proposed 2 million square foot lifestyle mall located at the foot of the 100-story Naza signature tower. Met 3 will also be built together with a luxury condominium, 5-star hotel and office towers. Thank you for watching my video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and click bell for new video notification. COVID-19 is still out there. Please wear mask and keep your distances. Please spread love to our beautiful life. See you in my next video and stay safe. Bye from STYFLY.